Okay, so let's see what we can do with a simple element like an oval. We can turn this oval using the convert point tool as an almond, let's say. So we have a black color. Maybe I can duplicate this element. I can change the color. Okay, no stroke. I can align these two elements, one inside the other. Okay, the one is on top because it's the second to be created. Then maybe I can do one more. Okay, black back again, so I can a kind of flame effect of a kind of feather. This is my starting module I want to play with. It's a very simple one. I'm grouping these two elements together, these three elements together, and okay, I will set aside. So let me do a copy. Let me reduce the size of this object, and then I want to have my rulers, Command R to have rulers back, and then I want to create the guides to create a center of rotation for this flame. I want to create a kind of star. So I get the rotate tool, hold down Alt key in order to open the panel for 60 degrees. Preview, let's do a copy. Okay, Command D to have more than one, and then we have a kind of star. I like it, this star, I'm happy with this. I don't mind about color so far. Okay, so let's create another artboard. This is the artboard tool, and I want to place in this new artboard a shirt I already done in the past. Okay, here is the shirt. It's done in several layers, but I don't mind this moment. I want to copy the whole shirt, Command C, and then I'm going to paste, Command V, group it just to make sure that nothing goes by itself because the shirt is done by several elements. I want to copy paste the new star, and I want to create a kind of engineered print. Engineered print is a kind of print in which there is no repetition. It's just one graphic element that is placed in some position the graphic design, the fashion designer wanted. Can be in the center, can be one side, can be on the chest. Okay, let me duplicate also this artboard again. So I have two more, voila, two more shirts. Okay, and maybe I want to have another option. Maybe I want to have like a single decoration one side, or maybe on the shoulders. Why not? So I can have something like this. So you can see this is a kind of simple element repeated 6 times and then placed.